Great, so welcome to this lecture where I'm going to show you how you can find out what are the backlinks that are putting your competitors at the top of the search results so that you can really then replicate their backlinks and so you can really rank above them and put yourself at the top of the search results. So to kick this process off, what we want to do is simply type our keyword into Google and this will show the top ranking pages. And what we really want to do now is find out the links that are putting those pages to the top of the search results. So to find out the links for each of these different web pages, what we can use is the Mozbar Chrome extension. If you haven't done so already, you can type that into Google and add it to Chrome. If you remember, we looked at this tool before in the keyword research section of the course when we were really trying to assess the keyword competitiveness. But now we want to use it again and really look at it in terms of links. So I've already got it installed and you can see I clicked on the button there to make this toolbar appear. And what you can see are the links here under each of the web pages. And this is really what we want to have a look at now. So here is the top 10 results and we can see all the links for them there. Let's start looking at the individual links. I'm going to skip over Mashable because that's kind of a content news site. I want to look at a site that's actually selling drones and look at the links that they're using to get themselves to the top of the search results. So when you click on that link, then you'll open up what's called the Site Explorer. And what we really want to do is put in some of these filters in place to make sure that we're only looking at links that come from external sources, so not links just from other pages within the website. And also we don't want to look at just all of the links, we want to look at only follow links. If you remember from the last section, we learned that follow links are the ones that really have the SEO power. No follow links, such as links that are on social media, no SEO power is pass through them. So in terms of SEO, we want to look at only follow links. If you want to direct traffic to your site, you could maybe look at all of these links and get the benefit of that. We have this list of backlinks. What we want to do is start having a look at them, see the context in which these backlinks are being earned, and ask ourselves really, is this something that we could replicate in order to create content to earn these links ourselves? So let's have a look at this link here. What you might want to notice before you open the page is the anchor text. So you can see that the link on this page is contained in the words under $300. For this particular one, it'll be myfirstdrone.com. So let's have a look. To find these quickly, probably the best way is to do Control F and just type in that anchor text that you see there, and you can see that this is the link that is contained there. So this article, I guess, is a general article about drones and some of the risks in terms of people flying them, and that's quite a topical issue now. And let's see, this piece of content was referenced in it, a citation backlink, and this is the best drones for sale and why that this My First Drone has created. So potentially this is a type of piece of content that you could create, and there's proof that this is getting a lot of backlinks from some big hitters and some big authority sites. So you don't only want to look at the backlink profile for one of the search results, you want to have a look at really all of them. And so essentially what you'll do is you'll move down the search results page, you'll take the URL, you'll pop it into this tool again, and you'll go through the same process again, then looking at how are they earning these links, what type of sites are they coming from, what is the context, what is the type of content, etc. And that's going to give you a lot of understanding about the marketplace and how these links are really being earned so you can replicate them for yourself. So just to recap, what you've learned in this lecture is really a process to find out the backlinks for all of the top ranking sites for your particular keyword. This is a fantastic place to really start your link building strategy from, because you know what works, you know what puts people to the top of the search results, and then you can really, once you've analyzed that, go off and replicate that, and soon you'll be at the top of the search results as well.